Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I made these clip-ins using only one pack of braiding hair and the installation process. And guess what guys, we've reached the 10,000 subscriber mark guys. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate. God bless you all. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to be using one pack of ultra braiding hair in color number 1, and I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to stretch the ends to get rid of the blunt cut. So I've been watching reviews on these seamless clip-ins, expensive clip-ins and I decided to make my very own guys without breaking the bank guys. Like, you need only $4 or less to make this. Like, only 5 items guys, you can make these clip-ins and look good guys. Yeah, so after stretching the hair, I'm just going to brush the hair, and then I'm going to divide my hair in half, and then I'm going to divide the half into 2. And in total, I sectioned this one pack of braiding hair into 8. So I'm going to be having 8 braids guys. To curl my hair, I'm going to braid it, and then I'm going to put a flexi rod at the ends. So I'm just placing the hair on the mannequin stand like that, and then I'm going to divide the hair into 3 sections, and then I'm going to start braiding guys. The size of the braids depends on the size of the curls that you want to achieve. I wanted small curls, and doing small braids like this, when you unravel it, your hair will have small curls, and also it will be fluffy. Yeah, so that is the look I was going for. Curly, afro-like, fluffy hair. Yeah, that is what I was going for. So that is why I did these small braids. But if you want, like, if you want it to be more curly, you can do bigger braids. Yeah, so I'm just going to braid, and when I reach like near the end, I'm going to take a flexi rod, and then I'm going to wrap my braiding hair around the flexi rod, because I wanted the ends to be curly. I didn't want them to be like straight. Like when you dip the hair in water without curling it at the ends, it's going to be straight. So I didn't want that. I wanted it to be curly from the top all the way to the ends. So I'm just going to wrap around like that, and then I'm going to bend the flexi rod. So this is what the braids are looking like. There are 8 in total, which is one pack of braiding hair. So after this, I'm going to be mixing pure touch conditioner with hot water, and then I'm going to dip my braids in hot water, and then I'm going to leave them overnight to dry.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah.
The next day, when the hair was dry, I just removed the flexi rod, and then I just cut the ends of the braid, and then I just continue to unravel the braid. So before you finish unraveling, place your finger in the loop like that, and then when you finish unraveling, you know the middle, it will be easier to separate the hair, and then just use your scissors to cut right there in the middle guys. And this is how the braiding hair is looking like this guys. So I'm going to be starting off by doing a 7-inch weft, and then I'm going to be using this insulating tape guys, the one that you use for covering your electric cables, what you know it. You know it. Yeah, so I'm just going to measure 7.5 inch of my insulin tape, and then I'm going to cut right there. I'm not going to cut like exactly 7 inch, because I'm going to be cutting off the excess later on. So make sure you don't cut the exact measurements, add half an inch or so. Yeah, so just take your braiding hair and then separate it, and then place it on top of the tape guys, the sticky part, the sticky side. The sticky side. Yeah, so just separate your hair and then place it on top like that all the way to the other side. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue this part, guys, this part you can add your hair according to how you want the fullness you want your waves to be, guys. So add your hair according to that. And I'm going to be using this bonding glue. I'm just going to place it right there from this side all the way to the other side, and then I'm going to spread it out. After that, guys, I'm going to spread it out, and then after spreading it out, I'm going to be blow drying it to make sure that it is tacky. And then I'm going to be using my heat on medium heat, guys. Don't use high heat, don't use cold air, just use medium heat. That way it will be quicker for your glue to be tacky, guys. Yeah, so just spread it out like that, and then use your blow dryer to make sure that your glue is tacky. When your bonding glue is tacky, take your insulating tape and then place it on top of the glue like that, guys, and then do it all the way to the other side, and then cut off the excess tape.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now. Water's getting deep now.
Use your blow dry again on medium heat to make sure that both sides of your tape are stuck to the hair, guys. So use medium heat, pressing your tape onto the hair to make sure that both sides are intact. They stay together, guys. They stay together. So after that, I'm just going to cut the excess tape on the sides, and then I'm going to cut this tape in half, guys. So the hair that I won't be needing, I'm just going to cut that. With the tape that I won't be needing, I'm just going to cut that off, and I'll be remaining with half of the tape and the hair that I want. This part right here, you just throw it away. So we'll be remained with this one, and then I'm going to be taking my insulating tape again, and then I'm going to place it on top, because we want to cover the part that we cut right there on top that shows the glue and the hair inside. We want to cover that. So just place half of the insulating tape right here on this side, and then we're going to be flipping the hair, and then we're going to fold the tape to cover the other side.
Now, follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me
After folding the tape, just press it like that. Yeah, so next we're going to be sewing our clips on the tape, guys. So this is how it's looking, and if you want to remove the glue, just rub it off, guys. It's easy to remove with your hands on the tape, guys. Just rub it off. So this is how it's looking, guys. So now I'm going to be sewing these 3 clips on this 7-inch weft. So I'm going to be using a small needle and thread, and I'm going to be sewing on 2 holes. So there are 3 holes on each side, and I'm going to be sewing only on 2 holes like that. And then after sewing, I'm just going to cut off the thread, guys. So simple, guys. So simple. Guys, I'm really excited about these clippings, and I really love them, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. Like, I hope you are enjoying the tutorial, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below if you are enjoying, if you've learned something. Let me know, guys, and share this tutorial with your friends and family, guys. Share, and yeah, so let's continue.
follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't
So this is what it's looking like, guys. This is what it's looking like. Yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. So in total, guys, I had 4 inches weft with 2 clips like this, guys, and then I have 2 7-inch weft with 3 clips, and I had 9 inches weft with 3 clips, and then I had 12 inches weft with 3 clips, guys. My clips were not enough, so I had to manage the clips that I had. Yeah, so guys, for the installation, I just cornrowed my hair, and then I'm not going to be having any leave out. I'm just going to have all of my hair braided like that, and then I'm going to be having a side part. So I'm going to start off by the 7-inch weft right here at the back. So just open your clips and then hook it on your hair and then close the clip, and then I'm going to be placing another 7-inch weft right there. Right here I'm going to place the 12-inch weft. So it did not reach the other side of the ear. It was remaining with 1 inch right here, so I'm just going to place this 2-inch weft, and then the other remaining 1 inch I'm going to place it on top of the 12-inch, guys. I did not do 13-inch for the weft, right, the bigger weft, because I wanted to use them again without braiding all my hair, like with leave out. So that is why I did not do like 13. I left like 1 inch for if I want to use it next time with leave out. Yeah, so I placed another 12-inch and then a 2-inch weft right there on top of it, and then right here on top I'm just going to place the 9-inch weft right here from this side all the way to the back, and then I'm going to place another 9-inch weft again, and then for the remaining part right here at the parting, like I said, I'm having a side part. The remaining part I did install 2 inches weft with 2 clips, guys. It was very quick to make these clip-ins, quick to install, guys. This method is really fast, guys. Yeah, so I'm just going to install the 2-inch weft right here, and then I'm going to install the other one on the other side. For the middle part, I'm going to be using the crocheting method. So I'm just going to take a section of hair like that, and then I'm going to pass my crochet under the insulating tape, and then I'm going to hook my hair, and then I'm going to pass it through, and then I'm going to cover the insulating tape, guys. That is the method that I use on the middle. So I'm just going to continue to do this side, and the other side I did it off camera, guys, and I loved the end result, guys. Everything was covered and it was looking like it's coming from my scalp like.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down?
So guys, you see the difference between the side that I crocheted and the one that I didn't, and this is how both sides are looking after I crocheted them, guys. So I'm just going to trim the excess at the ends. Right here on this side, guys, I wanted a little bit of bangs, so I'm just going to cut just a little bit, guys, just a little bit. I'm just going to cut right here, and then I'm going to do my edges, and it will be done, guys. That's it, guys. That's it, everything all in one tutorial, guys. They're making the installation, everything in one tutorial. So guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Like the tutorial and share the tutorial, guys. Share the tutorial. And if you are new, please subscribe. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, my 10K family. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Goodbye.